Hello, my name is music teacher Kate. In this video, we'll be studying basic note values, including the quarter note, the half note, and the whole note. Starting with the quarter note. This is a quarter note. First things first, we need to understand that we are studying these basic note values in 4/4 time signature or common time. What this means is that we have 4 beats in every measure and the quarter note is worth 1 beat. So we can fit 4 quarter notes before we have a bar line to mark the end of the measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm willing to go out on a limb and make a bet. I bet that at some point in your life, you have heard a song that falls into that 4/4 time feel. A song you can count along to. 1, 2, 3, 4. That you can nod your head to. 1, 2, 3, 4. That you can get your groove thing on to. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what I'm talking about? Well, this is what that looks like in written music. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the reason that we call 4/4 time common time is because we hear it so commonly in the music that we listen to. The half note is exactly what it sounds like. If a quarter note is worth 1/4 of a measure in 4/4 time, then a half note is worth half of a measure in 4/4 time. The half note is worth 2 beats. So if we have 4 beats in a measure of 4/4 time, then that means we can fit 2 half notes in each measure. Here we see 2 half notes, followed by a bar line to end this measure in 4/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ba, 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 ba. And the last note we'll look at in this video is the whole note. The whole note is worth, you can probably guess, a whole measure of 4/4 time. So the whole note is worth 4 beats. The whole note can also be called a full note because, again, it is worth a full measure in common time. So if a whole note is worth 4 beats and we have 4 total beats in one measure of 4/4 time, that means we can fit exactly 1 whole note in one measure of 4/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we come across a bar line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Rhythm is so fun and it makes all the difference. You now know the quarter note, the half note, and the whole note. So count. Count them thoroughly. Hold yourself accountable. And stay tuned because we've really only just scratched the surface.